Okay, I'm outside today and I'm putting together a greenhouse. It's a small greenhouse that Katie picked up for me at Aldi. Let me turn this camera around and I'll show you what we've got. So this is the greenhouse that they have at Aldi, and it costs $35, and I've already started putting it together, and Luna, as you can imagine, has been helping me. Here's Luna. Over here is part of it, and then right here is the other half. And across the top connecting these two will go an arch, and there'll be some shelving. Got a few more pieces to put together here, and then the cover. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out the backyard by the little driveway pad and put it together. That way Luna can't eat it up. This is the Aldi's walk-in greenhouse. Alright, for $35. You have 6 shelves, but 2 of them are on the ground, so I probably won't use those except to weigh it down, because basically this is a giant sale. Okay, I got the walk-in greenhouse put together, and it is exactly a sail. I mean, it is so lightweight that the wind can just take it away real easily. Overall though, for $35, since we had the $35 to spend, I guess it's okay. It went together easy. If you look right here, let's see where these here joints come together. These could be a little bit more firm, okay? So, it's a little bit flimsy, but I guess that's good because you want something flexible in the wind anyway. You don't want anything too rigid. Right now, it's billowing pretty much, but it feels good in here. And there's room on shelves for quite a few plants. So right now I have the lettuce out here. The onions, I'll just go ahead and show those to you. Alright, so right there are the lettuce that were inside last night, and here is a tray of what are supposed to be onions, and I see one little leaf coming up right there, and it does not look like an onion, so I'm not sure what just happened here. Alright, over here I got the peas and the chamomile. Hopefully the chamomile will be fine. This is the first time I've ever grown it, so I don't know what to expect. And then down here on the left, I've got some Brussels sprouts And over here I got some calendula. In the middle are some daisies. I don't know if those will work out too well, but we'll see what happens. And then in the base, I went ahead and weighted it down with some blocks. It comes with 8 stakes, but they're very lightweight and they have almost no resistance, no friction in the dirt. So I've also added some blocks to weight it down. Now presumably I can come out tonight just before it gets dark and close this up, and it'll retain some heat, and it will protect the young plants a little bit from extremes in temperature. These are all pretty cold hardy plants anyway. Well, most of them are, some of them might not be. So I think it'll work out. I think this will be really handy when I'm ready to carton off the tomatoes too. So I don't know if we're gonna get $35 out of it. I would say at this point, if you need that $35, hang tight. I'll work with this a little bit and see if we can get a season or 2 out of it. And if you can get 2 seasons out of it and, you know, just patch it up and keep with it, it might be a really, really great buy. But at this point, I just don't know. One good windstorm and it could just be ripped away and sent into the neighbor's yard. All right. Went together pretty easy. The instructions were crap, but the pictures were really good.